Hello friends, are you having the trouble of not having enough data to browse Facebook for longer? Well, it is fun and we do love watching videos, but it just ain't for free. It does end up sucking a lot of data from your phone. But I have come up with just a solution for that problem. Well, in this video, I will show you how to consume less data, how to save your data more so that you can browse Facebook for longer. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Facebook profile settings. Tap on settings, and then from settings you have to go to media. So in media, tap on the option that says data saver. So what this option does is it helps you to save more data by reducing the photos and video qualities that you see on Facebook. So in this way, you can browse Facebook for much longer and still save your mobile data. So yeah, if you like the video, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading more videos like this in future. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.